Dear friends, we shall prove some very basic and fundamental trigonometric identities. It's very important. It comes to every class, every problem, physics, maths, everywhere it comes. So we shall prove it. Proof, you not by heart the proof, but you learn the proof. It will be immense good for you in solving problems. See, first identity is equal to 1, first identity, sine square theta cos square theta is equal to 1. It's very important. Many boys, students neglect trigonometry in basic classes, suffer very much. So be careful about it. In triangle ABC, that AB is equal to Y, BC is X, AC hypotenuse is R. This is named in a way that it is consistent with the coordinate axis. So we can see x square plus y square in triangle x square plus y square is equal to r square by Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem in triangle ABC. So divide each term by r square. Divide each term by r square. Of what? Of 1. So what will I get? X square by r square plus y square by r square. R square by r square. So what do you get? X by r the whole square plus y by r the whole square is equal to 1. Now what is x by r? X by r is equal to adjacent side by hypotenuse cos theta. Y by r is equal to opposite side by hypotenuse sin theta. Now what is x by r the whole square? X by r the whole square cos theta the whole square. Ratio square, okay? Cos, it is not cos square, this cos square theta. Angle does not change, angle remains same. It is not equal to cos theta square. Remember it. Suppose it is not cos theta square. For example, if I put it like this, right? Cos 45 square. Cos square 45. So 1 by root 2 into 1 by root 2 square. Okay. That is not, it is equal to 1 by root 2 the whole square. Not equal to what? Cos square, cos 45 square. Angle doesn't change. Ratio multiplied twice. Cos 45 square. Not correct. Be careful. Not correct. Wrong. It is wrong. Okay. False. So x by r is equal to cos theta the whole square plus y by r is equal to sin theta the whole square. Y by r sin theta the whole square. Sin theta the whole square is equal to 1. So cos square theta plus sin square theta is equal to 1. This is a fundamental relation. From here you can take supplementary relations. In first quadrant we are doing some problem. Sin square theta is our angle is within 90 degree. So no problem, we can handle it. 1 minus cos square theta. That is sin theta is equal to root of 1 minus cos square theta. Cos square theta is equal to 1 minus sin square theta. Or cos theta is equal to root of 1 minus sin square theta. We often using it by heart it, not by heart it, you keep in a formula book, often refer and remember it. So it will be very good practice. Now one more relation, only three identities are there. Second identity is 1 plus tan square theta is equal to c square theta. The second identity is very important identity. All are important, all are equally important. Now you see same relation we apply. Earlier we divide by x square plus y square is equal to r square by Pythagoras theorem. Earlier we divided by what? R square. Now we will divide by x square. X square by r square plus y square by r square. X square by x square. Sorry, we divide by x square by x square. Y square by x square is equal to r square by x square. So what will you get? 1 plus y by x the whole square is equal to r by x the whole square. Now let us find out what is r by x stuff. Okay. Now what is r by x? X by r is cos theta. Now what is r by x? R by x will be 1 by cos theta equal to 1 by cos theta. 1 by cos theta is equal to sec theta. Right? Therefore, we have sec theta there. Now y by x is often y by x is opposite by adjacent. Y by x is equal to opposite adjacent tan theta. So put the values. Sec theta and tan theta put in appropriate place. What do you get? 1 plus tan theta the whole square is equal to sec theta the whole square. So 1 plus tan square theta is equal to c square theta. Very important relation. We will do many problems on this side, including NCERT, XAML, and previous question series. Now this is a very important relation, like earlier one. So what you can get? 1 is equal to c square theta minus tan square theta. From here you can sec square theta you can find out, tan square theta, everything can find out. Every value can find out, like what you got? Tan square theta, c square theta is minus 1. Tan square theta is equal to c square theta is minus 1. That's all known to you. Now what is it? You see, this we can put it as sec theta minus tan theta into sec theta plus tan theta is equal to 1. What we applied? A square minus b square formula we applied. Now what is sec theta plus tan theta? 1 by sec theta minus tan. This sum of the comes, we will do some sum afterwards. Okay. Now we will go to next identity. Right. We shall do third identity. 1 plus cot square theta is equal to cosec square theta. Same relation we take x square plus y square is equal to r square. So what? First we divide by r square, then x square, and last we divide by y square. Okay. Divide each term by r square. So x square by r square plus y square by r square. X square by y square, sorry, x square by y square, y square by y square divided by y, it's y square, sorry, r square by y square. X by y the whole square plus 1 is equal to r by y the whole square. Now what is it tell me? This term we have to find out now. Let us find out this term, what this term corresponds to. See, y by x is equal to, what is y by x? From this angle, opposite side by adjacent side. So cot theta. Sorry, tan theta. So x by y is equal to tan ulta कर उसको, so cot theta gets 1, that is 1 by tan theta, 1 by tan theta. Now next one what will you get? Y by r is equal to sin theta. What is r by y? R by y is equal to 1 by sin theta is equal to cosec theta. So put the values here. cot theta the whole square plus 1 is equal to cosec theta the whole square. 1 plus cot square theta is equal to cosec square theta. It's a very important relation as earlier. Now again, what do you get? Cosec square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1. This is all important for solving many problems. We remember it. Now, cosec theta minus cot theta into cosec theta plus cot theta is equal to 1. So what we will get? We will get cosec theta minus cot theta, or otherwise also cosec theta minus cot theta is equal to 1 by cosec theta plus cot theta. This importance, the derivatives are not important per se for examinations, but if you learn it, very good for